Now it's time to create the model, view and controller for our system. Let's move to the controllers folder inside the application folder, and you can see the default welcome controller. I'm gonna rename it and call it grid_C. C for controller. I'm gonna rename it in the class as well, grid_C. You can see the default index functions which will loads whenever that controller gets called by its name or it's a default controller. I'm going to change the name as well to grid_V, V for view. And let's move to the views folder inside the application folder, and you can see the default welcome_message view. Let's rename it and call it grid_V, and let's remove the unnecessary data as we are going to add the template, so we don't need that styling and that divs anymore. Just remove it and add an h1 tag which say welcome to the Bootstrap data grid. I'm gonna copy and paste it on the header inside the title section. I'm gonna save the view. Now the last step is to create the model. Let's go to inside the models folder in the applications and right click to create a new file. Now I'm going to add PHP tag. It is always a good practice to add that restriction tag so that no one can directly access your code. Then save and make sure you name it properly. I'm gonna say it grid_model, and while saving you have to make sure that it should be saved inside application models and .php. Now I have saved it. Let's create the model class grid underscore the name of the file that we have put, class grid_model. It will extend CI Codeigniter underscore model. Now our model is successfully created. Let's go to the configuration again, and we need to change the default route, the default controller which application loads. Let's move into the routes.php. Scroll down and there you will see that the welcome was the default controller. Now I'm going to say grid_C. Okay, now save it and let's refresh our project. So everything is set up. Let's dive into the next section and set up the template